you can make people get money from music.
Oh, for sure.
Is it juju or it is physical?
This one is digital juju.
All right, so let's start from scratch because I want all the people who are listening to us or watching us, those who are not even into active music business, to understand.
This new system whereby it's a Ubo beta. Your platforms are whatever to our beat, people will buy right from there. You make good monies.
Okay.
Not just see the need forget it. Forget about shows. Forget about shows. I'll be boy bit your car. There is nothing worth paying than digital music distribution. By God's grace, or any bakisimu time on the chum, omono says can be handy. By Yam read why is it that Michael Jackson is still making monies? So take note, 3 main reasons why you should get a digital platform. 1, you have copyright on your songs. Besides that, you are going to earn. The more people stream, Ghana, we know said the last year reported by on Boomplay. Sarkodie was the first, Stoneboy was second, Shatawale was third. Now me calculated Sarkodie sikano, brasa people are making money. Third, you gain international recognition.
That is very true.
Yeah. Brasa me is a Oba like I work with CD Baby.
Oh, okay. Another.
Yes, and I'm a distrocate and so yeah, chuma.
Okay.
And I brother, I mean, one advantage of me, they say me, I'm more or less like a shareholder. Reason being that when you go to the internet right now and you search, Spotify is taking you $10 each month. You see, no monthly charges, no yearly charges. And what other people have been doing, Ghana, they say with the music agencies, no. Oba say other companies, whereby the company will be taking 30% of whatever you earn. What I do, me set app. Then I'll give you an app. You will see everything, your earnings. You are the direct boss of whatever you're doing.
Obejimiska.
Oh, it's just peanuts. Peanuts.
Peanuts.
But okay, for now we are doing promotion, New Year promotion this month.
Okay.
So all the artists are mobile, especially the up and coming artists. Oh, banner or label as their amount I maybe can 250 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
I'll do all these things for you. No hidden charges. Make our month be anywhere because between $1 and $5 and whatsoever. You won't pay anything.